Alright, so here's how to set Microsoft Excel as the default application in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and simply search for the settings and then open this up. And on the left side, you will probably see the apps. So you need to click on that and simply go with the default apps. Now onto the search bar again. Once again, you need to search for the Excel right over here. So you can see the Excel, so you need to select that one. And now from here, as you can see, there are lots of file types. For the default, you can see all are selected as Word as well as Excel. So probably this is the main file type which you can be used in your Excel file. Then this is also one of the main file types that is being used by the Excel. So from here you can select as default as Excel. Like if you select this one, and from here you need to find out the Excel and simply select that one and simply go with the set default. So that's how you can set Microsoft Excel as the default application in Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.